My name is Mpumelelo Dube. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Wisedube Consulting Services, which started its formal trading from the 1st of April 2017. Wisedube Consulting Services is an accounting and taxation service firm which started its formal trading from the 1st of April 2017. And I think there's a huge market for the services that my business is providing. Hence, I decided to start my own business and enter into the accounting and taxation market, especially for the neglected informal businesses. So my passion is in small businesses that are informal, businesses that want to grow and want to be in the formal space. Wisedube Consulting Services offers accounting services for startup and small businesses. We also offer taxation services, forensic services. So we do investigations for businesses and for individuals. What sets Wisedube Consulting Services apart is that we are well trained in what we offer. Our staff is well trained in providing accounting, tax, as well as forensic services. And we are obsessed with high quality service to our clients. We ensure that we meet client deadlines, and we ensure that through the process of providing these services, we maintain long-term relationships with our clients. Our offices are based in Sandton, and we offer services throughout the country. I think my customers are very, very happy with the high quality work that we've conducted for them. Through referrals, we are getting more clients into our business sphere. Our clients can expect that deadlines will be met from our side, and it will be at a cost-effective prices to them. And we make sure that we build relationships while we are performing these services. And you are sure to receive undivided attention to your matter, no matter how small or how big your matter is.